Because
when I first opened my eyes, the first thing I saw was you. Because in spite of all our differences, inside we are the same. Because even though our clothes are the most colorful in the world, our children are colorblind. Because if we try, we could be our best when times are at their worst. Because of all these, I believe there's a place for us all in this land, my friend.